Okay. I am Suresh Bhatt, and how I came into this program was again I got a mail as usual in the last moment, and it was communicated around 5:30, and I was a little frustrated because some tenders are there which I wanted to attend to it, and I was saying okay, chalo, I'll not going to attend this program. I'll try to nominate somebody else, but I got some feedback from other people who had attended the value workshop, and they said, "Who is the trainer?" They asked, and I said, "I think somebody called Mr. Azad," because I was not knowing you at that time. Azad, ये तू गलती कर रहा है. You better not do that. If you have time, if you can spend 2 days, it's worth spending it. But I didn't take it so seriously, and I said, "Okay, fine." He's saying, I got 3 or 4 people telling the same thing. I said, then it should not be a wrong. Okay, 1 or 2, okay, I can say they might be biased or they might be having. So then I thought, okay, let me attend the training session. But I was totally mentally prepared that again it's going to be a notebook wala kaam rahega, and we will have to say, because we had this session about relationship 3 months back, and it was basically all on the PowerPoint, and we were just trying to to avoid sleep, we were just trying to note down some points, but that never had been implemented. So when the program started, again I was in the same frame of mind, and you were always hitting me, looking at my personality and all that, and my ego was coming up every now and then. I was getting a little anger, sometimes a little irritated also. But after half a day, it passed on. Then I said, okay, yeah, no, what he's saying is to the point, and he's not telling anything lie, or he's not trying to hide something, or not trying to be very biased, or trying to be influence you or something like that. So he was telling to the point, hey, you are on the heavier side and you have to put down, or you're not sitting properly, and or I'm not getting the energy what I'm getting from others and all that. Then I accepted it, and then I started getting into the program. So it took me nearly, I would say, not half a day, maybe 2 hours for me to get into the program. But the program went on very well, and the thing what I have learned yesterday about dancing or singing the song or giving a presentation, this all we used to do earlier also. Maybe around 4 or 5 years back, we used to do all these things. But since the circumstances were such, that we were getting into day-to-day routine and all that, we were getting a little away from all these activities and we were getting more monotonous. And we started, as you said, dying on the real life and getting more monotonous and to come in the morning, do your work, finish your work and go back. But last 2 days really brought us back what real life is all about. And whatever the child is there in you, it really has come out. I mean, even though you are aged or you feel that you are a senior person or you are crossed 50 or whatever, but the child never dies. It will always be there. So that is what he has brought out, and I think that has helped a lot of people, to communicate in a better way, rather than just monotonously talking to person or instructing the people, okay, you do this, you do that, and all that. So that one thing I have learned yesterday. Second thing was being patient. Little thing, sometimes I get impatient very fast. The second thing was I learned to be little patient yesterday. Then the third thing was that how you can prepare yourself for the presentation. That thing which was never focused earlier, and a lot of tips what he had given was really valuable. And even though we knew about it, but we never knew the value about it. So we used to tell, okay, ठीक है, मैं पैंट शर्ट पहन गया, अच्छा लगा, बीवी ने सुबह देखा, ठीक है, पूछ लेंगे, वो बोला ठीक है, तो we used to go. But there are, she used to see in her angle, but really in the professional environment, you should be well dressed, you should have a nice haircut, you should be clean shaved, and all those things were not even a priority. But now, definitely I think, along with me, but as I would say, myself and my colleagues, definitely the priority will be given to that. The one more thing what I have learned yesterday was I should always work as we. I should never see it as I first. So I always go as to go as a team. Then my priority is to go as a team. Then seeing their performance, I have to manipulate myself. But now I think I have to set up a standard myself, and then seeing their performance, I have to put the respective input to them. So that is one thing which I have to learn. But it's not easy for me overnight that I will start doing it tomorrow. But it is something which I have to keep in my mind, and I started implementing this with my colleagues. I came last and then this certain inputs what we had yesterday, like preparing yourself or being mentally prepared or being confident and all that. Same thing, even though in a professional life you can also utilize the same in your personal life also. And I could see that it has been already implemented in my house. Like I got a call around 4 o'clock from my wife saying that what time you're coming, because she was not sure. I told by 6:30 I was there. Then she said, what time you're coming, what clothes you want tomorrow. Like, you know, she want I told her, nothing has been ironed, everything is washed but not ironed. And she said, what clothes you want tomorrow, you tell me now, so I have some time, I can keep it ready for you. So that process has started, and I could see in her also, like, you know, she's taking care of the child previous night and all the required activities taken care of. So that part has already implemented, happy about it. Today, the best part was the script what we have done, and I was totally taken aback. I had a lot of perception about certain people, especially Mr. Mohan. He was.
We never used to talk.
Yeah. And the
He
way.
used to say me, I used to go to his department for some other work, but we never used to talk.
And the way we communicate during this session.
You got a good friend, right? Yes.
We really communicate with this session, really helped us out, you know, to clear our differences, our mind blocks. And today we are so open-minded that we are not talking about anything like his motor division, his fan division, or is it digital. Now we are totally looking as a Crompton. So Crompton, as a team we are looking at it, because always our mindset is he is from fan division, he is from banking division, or fan was very clear. He also stays the same building where, he also works the same building where I am working. But we used to never see except for when he comes for Xerox. And I used to see him, Xerox ke liye aaya chala gaya. Now tomorrow when I see him, definitely I have to say him hi, have some few communication with him. That's how.
Beautiful, yes.
That helps us. And secondly, this kind of relationship also helps us in our business also, because a certain input which I may get from him or which I can share with him, because there are certain things which we might be doing the same thing, but we'll be spending more time on that, because I might be doing the same thing what he might be doing it, but he might be having a better solution than me. So that information we can share. So that boundary which is there is really open now. So now that thing is which Crompton, even though it is a southern region here, I would like, the entire Crompton can come together and we can start interacting more. Then as far as the session overall is concerned, it was beyond my expectation. It was, I would say, whatever the people have told me, कि Mr. Azad है तो बेफिक्र रहो, it is going to be an absolute program, you not worry. And yesterday morning Muniraji came and asked me कैसा था session. So I told him अरे अभी तक तो नींद नहीं आया. I told him. Then he said okay, I'll catch you in the evening. Then in the evening he asked me how it was. I said because time ही पता नहीं चला. So it was such session की first time I would say that whichever training I have attended so far, it was more like routine training job, but this was the first training which we have attended, which I have attended, was an excellent practical on the spot. So this is what we would like to have more and more training.